Recorded live. Matios Hunzi, Matios Kahitzi, Matios Oshitzi, Matios Kahitzi, Matios Oosi, Matios Wapitzi, Matios Ukutzi, Matios Vashakri, Matios Pelepzi, Matios Lahuzi. Matios Kulatu, Matios Kaplahu, Matios Oslahuti. Matios Nawati. Nos hace muy feliz. Es felicidad, felicidad, felicidad. Ojos lahu, batu. Ojos lahu, batu. Hola, Jubaku. Ojalá te cuidar. Rumah cada tahir, cada irka. Somos los 13 Bakú. Somos los 13 Bakú. Los 13 Bakú. Nos hacen muy feliz. ¡Qué felicidad, 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 felicidad!
That's the most beautiful count. I also want to thank you, Tata.
Gracias. Muchas gracias.
Yes.
Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias, Alma Walche.
Well, she is.
Gracias, Alma Walche.
Thank you, Alma Walche.
So invoked. And let this energy bless you and work with you today and for the next 13 days. We'll be back again. I don't remember the date. It's October 30th, or September 30th, I think, when we have another call. Tata and Shuni will be here to help us with that. Unakabal. And Shuni, you're going to be in other parts of the country as well. Are you going to Washington and New York?
Yes, we're going to be in New York doing the Heart and Mind Festival, and later on that will be on the weekend of the 4th, 5th, and 6th of October, and then we will be heading on the 9th, from the 9th to the 22nd. In Washington, we will be joining the Constellations reunion over there, and I'll probably be heading down to teach again in New York in November.
Okay, and
then
you'll be on the lake, Lago Atitlan, this winter?
Yes, we will be heading down in December to Lake Atitlan, trying to see if we can travel a little bit around El Salvador, Costa Rica, and Honduras, bringing, just a little bit of this sacred count. I just wanted to tell everybody a special dream that I had in Czech. It happened in Poland. I was dreaming, actually, we were in a vision quest with almost 30 visioners. And during the vision quest, I was dreaming that everybody was following the sacred count. And I woke up from my dream, and I was, how am I going to handle this? And so I have really seen this sacred count coming into life in the near future. And I just want to tell everybody that it is a key. It is a key to go back to nature. It is a key to go back to yourself, to understand who you are and what you're here for, and what is the world around you has to do with you and the animals around you. So I just want to, tell everyone to, believe me, just try it for 20 days and enjoy the magic of that this sacred town has to offer.
And I'd like to add, living it is really a great way to do it. And they won't be you'll probably be doing your YEB.
Yes, we will.
Which is in February.
February. We are trying to do actually a 22-day as request of our followers. They don't want to come 13 days. They want to come and experience 20 days eating together, being together, and sharing these energies of the sacred calendar with us. So we're putting together, I had already put a 13-day, but as a request, we are thinking that we're going to embark in this 20-day journey of sacred time in the Mayan lands.
Yeah, Tata's always said, give me 20 days.
That's all he wants. He wants 20 days. If you can do it one time, it will be his wish come true.
Okay. Well, that's it for now, folks. We'll see you again online here, same time, same station, on Monday, September 30th for Hurna Akabao. So we are seeing you all blessed. Enjoy your next 13 days.
Take care. Maltios.
Maltios. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Tata.
Gracias.
Thank you, Barbara.
Gracias. Maltios.
Maltios. Maltios. Maltios. Todos te están diciendo Maltios.